All right, so since the last video we did the exhaust on X3M, it wouldn't be right not to do obviously the downpipes on the car and tune the car with MHD just to see how much power we can make and see if I get any more rasp with these, since the stock downpipes are obviously more restrictive. These are less restrictive, so it's time to see how loud the car gets and if we get any rasp, and also see if we can get a couple of horsepower. And when I say a couple of horsepower, MHD offers a S58 tune for this car, and their advertised numbers are 670 for a stage 1, 720 for a stage 2, and 750 for E30, E40 blend. I'm guessing that's crank horsepower, I think. I would hope so, because that'd be kind of ridiculous if it's 720 wheel. But most likely it's crank. I don't know what that actually translates to wheel horsepower, but we are going to find out, because we are going to put this car on a dyno after we get all this stuff done. Factory, the car comes with 503 horsepower, because this is a competition model. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and install these downpipes. I'll show you guys how to do it. For the most part, I'm not going to go into details. Many videos on how to do this as far as S58 cars. The only difference on the X3M is the airbox. The airbox has to come off, and to take off the airbox you have to remove the strut bar. Besides that, everything else is the same. As far as G80s, X3s, G82, whatever, all the S58 power cars are the same. And the reason why I have to remove this, so I can get to the wires underneath and route everything underneath after I install the new downpipes. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this engine cover slash airbox and then show you guys what to do next. And there it is. This is what it looks like underneath. You have to loosen this, and this, and that's pretty much it. Besides that is obviously the strut bar, which is 13 mils, and then you have the airbox right there. So after that, I have to just get access to these plugs and then these plugs right here. So there's not much room that I can, film, but basically you have to remove these and then remove them off the grommets, and then same thing with these, remove them, take them off the clamps and grommets, and then route them underneath so you can pull the downpipes off all together. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys underneath the car. So like I said, there's not much space to show you how I'm gonna remove these downpipes besides disconnecting the exhaust from them. But I can show you right here, right there. There's a 13 that I have to remove, and then the rear downpipe, there's a 13 somewhere up there that I can't really show you, but I can see it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, and I'll show you guys what they look like. All right, so I got the downpipes off. Somebody obviously had these downpipes off before, because this is loose, that's tight, that's tight, that's tight, but this O2 sensor is loose, like I suspected it would be loose. And this O2 sensor is like twisted to shit. This one is okay, I guess, and this one is okay. So we had an exhaust leak here, perfect, and the wires are twisted, but they're not damaged, so I'm not too worried about it. And I did burn the shit out of myself. That was good. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap the O2 sensors over to that and actually tighten them this time and go from there. Okay, so I kind of skipped ahead. Already took off the O2 sensors here and already installed them in the car. The reason why I didn't film anything is because you can barely see anything in there. The car's on right now because I'm trying to see if there's any exhaust leaks. I did go ahead and put gasket maker around here on the new downpipes just to make sure, to be 100% that they're not leaking. And all the O2 sensors are tight. Made sure the gasket here where it connects to the exhaust right here is good. There's no, I don't feel any exhaust coming out. Like I said, you can't really see anything in there because it's kind of tight. So I still have the intake off. I just wanted to make sure that the car is good and there's no exhaust leaks or anything, because obviously previous owner didn't give a shit about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the car down and then show you guys how it sounds as far as open valves and closed valves from behind of the car. So, definitely got louder. It still doesn't have the usual S58 rasp, so that's a win. I do have to adjust the tips, like I mentioned previously on the exhaust video. And now that I messed with the exhaust, they're off even more, but we'll do that later. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the intake box and then put the strut brace back on. I do recommend, if you're gonna do this, to change your spark plugs. I just don't have the spark plugs here today, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that, but I will be doing that off camera because the car needs an oil change, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the spark plugs as well. And I will be using NGK spark plugs. I'll leave a link down in the description for that. So now the last thing we have to do is this. And for those that don't know, this is an MHD adapter to flash the car. All you need is this and a flash license. And depending on your S58, obviously you have to have your DME unlocked. But in my case, my DME, which is right there, is already unlocked because I have a 2020 car with a production date of 2019 or something. So I was kind of lucky as far as not getting my DME unlocked. So all I have to do is download the app for F&G chassis and go ahead and just download the what's it called, the tune, and go ahead and flash it. So I'll go ahead and do that next after I put the shit back together, and then I guess we'll get the first drive and all that stuff going on.
We're here!
Yes.
Yes.
Wait. So 50 years later, we're back at the dyno.
We're here!
Yes. It finally made it to the dyno. We have this. What is that? What are these?
I don't know.
That's some weird symbols on my dash.
Bro, dot, dot, dot. You gotta guess what that means.
Let me know what it is in the comments.
I'll watch. I'll make sure.
Did you even tell the viewers that you're doing this in rear wheel drive mode?
Yeah, you heard that, right? All right, cool.
Yeah, rear wheel drive mode, and we don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, the car got coded for two-wheel drive because they got broken-ass dyno, but that's okay.
Oh, that's bad marketing. Oh, we're never coming here again.
You didn't say that.
Why are you looking at me like that?
You know that's not gonna go very well.
I'm just kidding. You're just missing a bolt. It's okay.
Cut that part.
Oh,
It works. It works. It works. It works. It just,
please drive.
they're missing a part. Sorry.
Please drive.
All right, I'll drive.
We tried to dyno it in
Two-wheel drive because I have two-wheel drive coded, and it didn't want to do that.
Said on my not broken dyno.
Yeah, it's not a broken dyno. It's just not. It doesn't have the software update for all-wheel drive.
Yes.
I think I'm finally over the blue balls phase, so now we're actually gonna see some numbers.
You better run this shit, bro.
Maybe.
Let's see.
Oh!
Wow.
save these files? They're saved.
Yeah, I'm gonna save.
By the way, guys, come over here. Film me. Film me. Look how much power my M2 made.
Damn.
Oh, you fucked it up.
That's what I said. Wait.
It's there, but it's just blocky now. All right, so 718. Can the X3M make more power? I think on the same OTS, man. Actually, he's E30. We're E40.
Yeah. I got 10.
Can you break 700, bro?
Probably not. I don't know.
I believe in you.
Hey, like the video if you guys want to see a race between the X3M and the
That's
M2.
it?
How much fuel did it take?
Hey, Ali,
We'll
E30.
probably make like low sixes.
Hey.
Hey, I'm rooting for 700, all right? I don't know about you guys.
Hey, like the video if you guys want to see a race between the X3M and the M2.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell
Yeah.
Rub a dig.
60-year-old.
Rub a dig.
Stock clutch.
Oh no, stop clutch, gotta go.
That's how you're gonna say it.
Digs only.
Hey bro, I got drag radios, I'm good.
Alright. Digs only.
I get a car length.
I'm going all-wheel drive.
Damn.
I get a car length.
Can I get some fans?
Oh yeah, hold on. Hey, we have the fans.
I don't even have M mode.
Sick.
I had to do it manually.
Damn. Yeah, we had to unplug the transfer case.
cooling package,
I don't need that shit.
You don't got the cooling package, dog.
I don't need that shit.
Are you gonna lock it?
Huh? It's good. I tuned it.
The Ali tune.
Yeah.
Yes tune.
The jazz tune.
Hello.
Where's the graph?
660.
What do you think?
680.
I'm gonna go with 620.
God.
705.
Damn.
I'm shooting high. Damn, what the
Shit,
fuck?
she was right from the beginning.
Damn.
You said low sixes, bro.
Yeah, only because you fucking died on these cars every day. Wow. My bad.
Really?
Hey, bro, you might have to go 6 gear, bro.
We could
6
try
gear
it.
equals more power.
Do it, do it.
I'm capping that ass with them too.
Have a date?
Over there?
From the 40.
No, bitch. Big.
Even with the big, I think I still win.
Big.
I got drag radials. I put it down to 15 psi. We're good. If I don't stop the axle, that is.
Yeah, you can just leave the tires out there. Again.
Yes.
Rock there, is it warm? Yeah, I need a custom tune now.
I think I lost hearing in my right ear.
Should have done 6 gear.
Why? Just make more power. I want to make more power, but doesn't mean I'm in optimal power band.
That is off.
Yeah.
101.
When am I gonna get sixth
a
gear?
120 roll, maybe. You know?
Hey, let's go, sixth gear. We're going like 110. Nah, this is good for OTS, man. It makes more torque than you. Just kidding.
Damn.
But I make more torque than horsepower. He makes more horsepower than torque.
Well, you also make peak horsepower right at the beginning.
Yeah.
So the difference between this car,
No, actually, I don't. This is torque.
no, red.
Red,
up
this
there.
is red. Solid red versus light red. Solid red, light red. Light red is torque. Solid red is horsepower.
Yeah.
So I
The
make
first
more
run
horsepower
is red,
than you.
red. The second run is blue, blue.
Wasn't my graph red, red, and blue, blue?
Yeah, same thing.
Same thing.
That's why I got confused because I was like, is that the second run? But
But I make no power here. It's just flat lines. Between 5 and 6, 55 to 65. So
yes.
I need more sauce. But for what it is, it's pretty fast. For OTS map. I don't even know what they make stock. What does your car make stock?
What is it, like 475, 500 or something?
It made on the dyno like 470 something, 480.
Yeah, this car is like rated for.
So it's 453 crank, but it was like 470, 480 on the dyno.
Yeah, this is like rated for 503, I think. This is a comp.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So I made additional 130 horsepower. Tech.
Yeah, right.
But it's probably more than that.
And all you needed were downpipes and the tune.
Downpipe tune and a BMS intake. And this, sexy exhaust that you guys just heard.
Sound very nice.
We couldn't do pulls outside because, it keeps raining in Florida, so that's all you get for now.
There's a hurricane outside or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cheers.